They'll kill it if they can. They never really do, but sometimes they do. Every once in a while, they'll kill it.
Well, I guess it's going.
Back up now, the one's going the other way.
Going after it again.
Oh yeah, that's a battle over a female. And see how it has its tail up in the air, the white? They put the white up. It's showing that other one, you know, I'll fuck you up, man. I'll fuck you up. And it was near another battle. There's another battle. It's the same one. 2 more males going at it. Yeah, it must be female battle time.